Let's draw together. You'll need some paper, a pencil, and an eraser. Touch the blinking arrow to get started. Are you ready? Start by drawing a circle on the paper. Aha! It's the head. Now he needs a body. Make a diagonal line from the head and finish off with a curve for a foot at the bottom. And do the same on the other side. Nice job! What about the arms? Draw an arm on each side to make him look cool. Now it's time to draw the ears. Half circle on each side. Pretty easy, right? He needs eyes, a nose, and a mouth. Let's draw them. What's left? The hair. Let's give him this look. For the finishing touch, draw a horizontal line across the middle to make his waist. Don't forget to draw the lines for shoes. And your guy is done.